Well, at 6:15 this morning, what do you do to relieve stress? These days, you're either stuck at home, and if you do go out, it's probably just a trip to the store and back. And it's important to find a way to release that tension and let go of stress. And music can go a long way in helping. News 3 reporter Anthony Sabella knows a little something about music. He is joining us this morning. Anthony, you spoke with a local music therapist about the ways that we can use music to relieve that stress.
Yeah, absolutely. Using myself, for example, I've been playing music, singing for a couple of decades really now, and I've found that it's very calming for me, especially right now, to just go to my keyboard every so often and play around for a few minutes. Here we go. When the rain is blowing in your face. Simple as that. I'll play for 30 seconds, a minute, whatever it is, and it really helps me just relieve that stress, release that tension. And it turns out there's a reason why. So we talked with Becky Watson. She is a local board-certified music therapist who owns Music for Wellness. She's a Navy vet, and she uses music therapy to improve the quality of life, specifically in older dementia patients and the people who take care of them. She says music has a way of activating our entire brain, and not just playing, but even if you're just listening to music. She says a great way to use music for therapy is simply make a playlist of 3 or 4 songs to help you relax or feel whatever way you want to feel. And if you can play something too, even better.
So nice thing about playing instruments, it is a way to express our emotions in a safe way. Piano's one way. Drums are a great way to express your emotions. It helps release some tension, and then after a while, it's like, okay, get your brain, because your brain's focused on playing the music. Whatever you're stressed about, it's kind of gone because you have to focus on playing the instrument.
And Watson says don't underestimate the importance of silence and breathing too. She recommends deep breathing, inhaling and then exhaling fully for several seconds while thinking about maybe what you're thankful for. It's a great way to kind of find that calm. You can incorporate music into that too. And you might be thinking, I don't sing, I don't play an instrument, and that's totally fine. Turns out there are a lot of things around your house that you can use to get involved in music and get the whole family involved too. So we'll talk about that coming up a little bit later here on News 3 though. For now, we're live in Norfolk. I'm Anthony Sabella. We'll send it back to you.
I love it. I love it.